Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by power cycling the monitor and PC to clear transient faults. Disconnect power for 10 to 15 seconds, then reconnect. Next, inspect and reset the video cable, HDMI or display port, checking pins and strain relief because loose contacts cause flicker. Once done, open display settings and confirm the resolution and refresh rate match the monitor's native specs. Mismatches produce scaling artifacts. These steps pinpoint whether the fault is simple wiring, software configuration, or a deeper. You proceed by isolating the signal source. Swap the cable, try another port, or connect a different PC or laptop to the monitor to see if the glitch follows the screen or the computer. Next, address software, update graphics drivers, or roll back to a known stable version. Use safe mode to load minimal drivers if needed. Then review the monitor's on-screen display, disable motion overdrive or similar post-processing, and restore factory defaults, because aggressive processing often causes ghosting and tearing. You finish by confirming the failure mode. Connect a second monitor to determine whether the GPU or cabling is at fault. If the problem persists only on the original monitor, suspect internal hardware, backlight drivers, panel connectors, or capacitors, and pursue warranty service or a professional repair. If the GPU is the culprit, consult manufacturer diagnostics and replace the card if needed. If issues remain, document the glitch pattern, exact timings, and steps you took, then provide that information to support for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.